Welcome to my channel. Phone to you today. I show you how to repair Samsung Tab A9 model number X110. You can use the hairdryer if you have a heat gun. If you have a heat plate, you just put it on the heat plate for 3 to 2 minutes. After you see the screens be hot, lift up on the bottom side. They have only one long flex. Once you remove the screen, the connector have a metal sheet on. They have a 2 screws. Remove the screws and remove the metal sheet. Then disconnect the battery and disconnect the LCD flex. Before you connect the new screen, just clean the edge on the frame. I always use E8000 adhesive. You can buy online or local store. Apply glue on the edge and put the screen back on. Check each corner is perfect. Put the masking tape on the screen. They hold the screen. Glue go dry and the solid. Turn on your tablet. Check the screens and the touch screen is working. Thanks for watching my video. Follow and like and share my video.